The 11th of August 2025, President Mnangagwa celebrates Heroes Day. Zimbabwe today marks its 45th Heroes Day anniversary, with commemorations taking place at shrines across the country. President Emmerson Mnangagwa is leading the main ceremony at the National Heroes Acre in Harare, while ministers of state for provincial affairs and devolution preside over events in the provinces. Heroes Day honors the gallant sons and daughters who sacrificed their lives to free the nation from colonial rule. The National Heroes Acre is set for the official program, where President Mnangagwa will serve as guest of honor. Zimbabwe's liberation struggle claimed the lives of many who fought against a system that oppressed the majority of indigenous blacks. Independence came in 1980, and today the nation reflects on their sacrifice with gratitude and renewed commitment to defend and prosper. International solidarity was also remembered, with China reaffirming its historic role in supporting Zimbabwe's liberation from the 1960s through diplomatic backing, military training, and material aid. This cooperation, Chinese representatives said, forged an unbreakable bond between the two nations. As the country pauses to reflect, the message is one of unity, resilience, and a shared vision for the future. May the heroes' courage and resilience continue to inspire us all, and their vision guide Zimbabwe toward ever greater unity and prosperity, the president said. Happy Heroes Day, Zimbabwe.